Hi there everyone, this is your NWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. And what a great week it looks like it will be for many of us. A week of summer, finally. So we're going to be having high pressure dominating much of our weather through this coming week. There are a few exceptions though, away from this fine dry weather. So this is Monday's midday charts, and just associated with this warm front towards the north of Scotland, the Northwest Highlands actually could get rather drizzly, particularly across the western areas and the coastal regions as well as Skye. Cloud will be a little bit more extensive near those coasts as well across the Northwest and Western Highlands, and towards the East and Southern Highlands those cloud may cover mostly on those tops. It'll also be a rather windy day too, and winds could be up to around 50 miles an hour on the Northwest Highlands as well as the Cairngorm Plateau. England is expected to be a dry day with any morning cloud lifting, and it should be a fine day throughout Wales. Pushing on to Tuesday, here is the midday surface pressure chart. It's a dry day for pretty much everywhere once any mist and fog patches in those valleys and glens lift. Though we are expecting a rather brisk easterly wind, perhaps up to 30 miles per hour across particularly the Welsh mountains, making it actually very gusty in places downslope for many summits or through elevated passes. Otherwise, extensive warm sunshine, so be aware of the sunburn and possible dehydration. Pushing on to Wednesday, we're still dominated by this higher pressure, and winds become a little bit more southeast to southerly as well. So those temperatures, if anything, are going to start lifting that little bit higher. We do have the possibility, though, of lingering lower cloud across more eastern mountains, so the Pennines and perhaps the North York Moors particularly, before that sunshine does gradually develop through the day. Also still rather breezy through those summits up to perhaps 30 miles an hour in places. But a dry and fine day to be had for the majority. Again, that strong sunshine still around even in early September. And looking ahead towards the end of the week, it's a little bit of a greater shower risk, particularly through parts of Wales and maybe even northwestern parts of England, so the Lake District more particularly. But we are looking at generally a largely dry and fine day, still dominated mostly by high pressure, warm to very warm sunshine, even on those tops. And Friday, high pressure still dominant, so another good dry day is to be expected for most, though we are keeping an eye out for a few scattered, heavy, perhaps thundery showers. One to watch for towards the end of the week. So a great week ahead for most. Do enjoy and take care. That is your NWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead.